Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We're up in Matlock this morning. I wish I could say it was a nice day, but it's not. It's tipping it down. Managed to get a couple of minutes respite between the downpours. We've got a VW Caddy 1.9 TDI, 251,000 mile on the clock, 2007 model. So this one's just running in nicely. This one, guys bought it recently, got a bit of a bargain on it. It's got a couple of codes in there for EGR sensor circuit and EGR circuit codes. There's been a bit of wiring butchery going on under here. That will certainly explain that. Also got a turbo overboost condition. The EGR is not moving. It's been disconnected basically and hacked about a bit. That would certainly explain the overboost. It might be down to sticking vanes, but if the EGR is not opening when it should be, you're going to get an overboost as well. Also got a glow plug cylinder free down, so at least he can see what's been done to the EGR. He can get that rectified. Otherwise, loads of bass noise in this engine. Desperate for a clean. Getting this cleaned up now. It's nice and crisp already, even after just 10 minutes. So we'll give this a good hour. Then hopefully get it running nice and smooth again. But yeah, the rain's starting to come down a bit heavier now. I'm going to get back inside.